Federation of Indian Blood Donor Organization FIBDO amadi National Institute of Biological Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India na sinduna tha asigi tara tarete ki tara mapan fauba numit humni chupna Uttar Pradesh ki NIV Noida da chatharakpa National Conference and Workshop BLODCON English ani kungamari garang loshin kre National Conference and Workshop ki thoram aduda Manipur State ki oina saruk yakiba Helping Hands for People Manipur ki President Moirangthem Premjit na Manipur State asida thengnariba blood donation ki matangda point manga yauba demand pukhatkhre loinana Federation of Indian Blood Donor Organization FIBDO na approve tauki loinana National Blood Transmission ki Director Krishna Kumar unaduna point manga adu thabak oina pangthoknanaba hotnaragani haibagi thajabasu hairakre hairi pangthokiba National Conference and Workshop ki thoram asida India ki tongan ba state singi member singna sarugyaki Manipur State ki oina mioi ahumna state asigi mahut sinduna sarugyaki Helping Hands for People Manipur ki President Moirangthem Premjit Singh Executive Member Takelambam Khamba aduga Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur ki Secretary Sarangthem Kumarjit Singh na Manipur State ki mahut sinduna National Conference and Workshop asida sarugyaki Pisin kiba point manga adugi manungda Atoppa State Singda blood donation taubada Chada Chamma Singda Khudong Chaba piri adubu Manipur State ki oinadi Chada Khaktamak Khudong Chaba piraga Humfudra na patient party singna puthokpagi wafam State Blood Transmission Council leiriba asi thabak fazana taudaba amadi Director Gumba ama thamduna thabak tauhallu haiba wafam Manipur State ki Geographical factor da Chada tara oiriba Valley area ki mioi sing ayambana blood donate tauba aduga Chada Marifudara oiriba hill area ki mioi singna blood donate taubagi changyamna watpa asigi matang dasu wafam pukat ki hairi
एक और चीज है जो 30% में ही रह गया as you can see here Manipur can be divided into two parts geographical areas the center point is valley area in which be the Maites the rest of the green areas actually it belongs to hilly people hilly areas and you might surprised to know that people who are inhabiting in valley area which is only 10% of the total geographical area are donating blood. Rest of the people who are inhabiting in 90% of the geographical area are not donating any blood. This is the main reason why we are stuck in 30%. And I don't want to blame them for that. There are many reasons for that also.